Hey guys, Jessica Peterson here. Thank you so much for speaking with me yesterday and accepting this free video. I know she wasn't sure who should be the first or the best person to watch this, and told me just to address to admin. So, I'm super excited she accepted this on your behalf because I'm going to go through 3 strategies that you guys can start applying right away, and it's going to make a huge impact for your business. Now, right now, and over the last 12 months, you guys have had absolutely 0 traffic to your website. Your website is not just a business card, okay? This website is a place for your customers to find out about who you are and to hire you for jobs. So you're missing out on over 60 to 70% of the jobs in your area every month by not having these strategies in place. So I'm super excited to go through them with you, and I know it's going to make a huge impact because we've used this strategy with over 50 other restoration companies around the US, and it's made a huge impact, okay? So please feel free to take this information, run with it, apply it yourself, and start today. And start driving that traffic and helping more people in your community. However, if you would like a partner in this and you want to focus on what you do best, go ahead and give us a call at Peterson SEO because this is our specialty and we specialize in working with restoration companies just like you guys. But either way, please take this information, run with it, apply with it, because it's going to make a huge impact for you. So today we're talking 3 strategies. We're going to talk about content, citations, and then backlinks, okay? So this is the website. I do see a phone number, and it is click to call, thankfully. This is a basic GoDaddy template. Let's see. You don't have any pages for your services, okay? I do see a logo. You got a nice logo. But you really don't have anything as far as content goes. When it comes to ranking your website and customers finding you online, it is all about content. Content is key, and you need a lot of content. So content is by way of images, videos, as well as written content. Okay, that's about all we have for written content. So your images need to be optimized with local keywords, and so do your written text. Your local keywords are important because 99% of the time when customers need help, they don't know who you are, so they're not going to be searching for fusion, flood, and fire. They're going to be searching for San Diego water damage removal, San Diego, water damage restoration, San Diego. You need to have those local keywords and understand that people search differently, so you want to capitalize on each of those search terms to drive as much traffic to this website as you can so you can convert them into customers every month. I apologize for that. Now, this home page here, this is the main page of your website. This is the most important page of your website because it ties all your other pages together. Basically, it puts a big bow on it for Google, so Google has an understanding of what's going on, who you are, and the services you offer. They send little crawlers to your website, which are like little mini robots, and they go through all of your content, all of your pages, images, and this written content. So when you don't have the right type of content, Google doesn't understand who you are. And when they don't know who you are, they cannot index you for keywords, and so they cannot send you customers to your website. So you do have to have that at least basic foundation here of separate pages for all of your services and service areas, with their own written content based around those local keywords, so Google can get you indexed and start sending customers to your website. If we look at the top ranking water damage company in San Diego, we have Certified Restoration. And these guys have a good looking website. You can see that they have separate pages for all of their services. They got click to call buttons. They got service area pages. We can see that they're using those local keywords. And we got multiple repetitions, which means Google is picking those up and indexing them so they can be ranked and drive traffic. And you can see they have quite a bit more content than you guys have. We always need more than our competitors. Your homepage should have at least 1,500 words or more of content. When your competitors have 1,500 words or more, you need to do better. So if they have 1,500, you need to do 1,800 or 2,000. So Certified Restoration is beatable, but you have to do better. So you have to have more content, more dialed-in keyword strategy, more of the relevant pages and service areas, etc. Okay? Now, we know when your customers do a search, they'll do a search something like this on Google, and we want your business to be showing up when they do the searches. Okay? And there's 3 main areas on the first page of Google that your business can have good position in. The first is always going to be ads, whether it's your cost per click ads or your local service ads. This can be a good position and be very profitable if you have everything dialed in and a good foundation, using the proper type of landing pages and not just sending them to your main website. As long as you have all those foundations in place, this can be very lucrative. But if not, it could give a really poor ROI, and you probably should concentrate on these other 2 sections more because they get majority of the traffic. This section here, this is your Google Map Pack. These top 3 companies here. You want your profile to be listed in the top 3 here for the area you serve and your services. Because 30% of people come straight here and do not go anywhere else. So when you're not one of these top 3, you're leaving 30% of your monthly revenue on the table, and you're sending those customers to your competition. So in order to get in this top 3, there are many factors, but it includes optimizing your profile and going after citations, which are simply listing your business name, the address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. Directories are things like the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Angie's, House, and you need more of those than your competition. And every single one of those are sending Google signals and information about your business to tell them who you are, the services you offer, and where. So those are critical for your business to have. And this third section here, this is your organic section. This is the most important section because 60 to 70% of people come straight here and they don't go anywhere else. They skip the ads, they skip the maps, and come here. So when your business website is not listed here, you're again losing 60 to 70% of your monthly jobs for not being listed here. So in order to get in the organic section on the first page of Google, it all comes down to having this website built properly with the right type of content and keyword strategy, and then supporting that with a backlink SEO strategy. So if we look here, this is Ahrefs, a paid tool we use to analyze websites. And when we look here, you've got zeros across the board. And we can see here for the last year, you've had zeros across the board. Okay, So right now, your website ranking is a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, meaning Google does not trust your website. Partly because of the lack of content and the type of content on your website, but more so because you're not sending any power to your website. Like most tools, a website does require power to be able to be found online. Okay, and we supply power to websites with backlinks. Okay, these are physical links coming from another website to your website. So we need a bunch of these backlinks. We need more backlinks than your competitors have. Okay, and but it's important to understand that not all backlinks are good backlinks. We could try and go after high-ranking websites like Burger King and Pizza Hut and try and get those links. But because you guys don't serve food, even though those are high-ranking websites, they would be spam for you guys and actually hurt you more than they could help you. So we have to go after good quality links that are closely related to your industry. So links coming from other websites that are from home service businesses, vendors, magazines, etc. that are related to your services. So you're going to have to go out and get a bunch of those, which will help power your website. It will increase your authority score here, which gives Google more trust, which will help them promote your website higher and will help to rank keywords. If we look at your competition, we can see they have a rating of a 33. They have over 800 backlinks, so you will need more than they have. And because they have a lot of pages, service area pages, and content, they've been indexed for over 2,400 keywords, and they're getting over 2,700 people to their website every single month. And that's because they have these exact strategies in place. So again, yes, certified is beatable, but you will have to, you will definitely have to follow these strategies that I have just shown you today. And please feel free to take these strategies, run with it, apply it yourself, and get started right away so you can drive that traffic. But if you'd like a partner in growth, somebody to help you get there, Peterson SEO specializes in this and in working with restoration companies just like you guys. So please feel free to reach out, ask any questions you might have, or give us a call, and we would be happy to chat. And I would also love to get your feedback on this video so that I can continue to improve them. So again, thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.